up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know, back. Somebody said I should do it 3 times. Back, baby, with another video, man. So I did it 3 times for you guys, man. That was 4 actually. What's going on, guys, man? Y'all see, I'm repping the Raging Cages today, man. What the hell is all this smoke up here, bro? What is going on? Bro, it's like an Audi and he's just smoking. Anyway, yeah, I'm repping the UL today, man. Just in case some of you guys know in some of the comments, did go to University of Louisiana Lafayette, played football there on a scholarship 5 years. Defense tackle, so don't know now you know. It's funny, actually, the world is so small. One of you all watch my channel, I forget your name, bro. And he's like, hey, bro, I was just in Dallas. I was like, oh, for real, what for? He was like, man, we had a bowl game at SMU. I was like, oh, that's right up the street. And he was like, who'd y'all play? He was like, we played Lafayette. I like, bro, that's my alma mater. He's like, what? It was just a crazy story. Just see that come back full circle. And actually, UL, we did take that dub, baby. You already know. But anyway, guys, so right now, I'm on my way to go see my guy, Justin, man. We got something working for the truck, finally. Something I kind of been wanting to do. I actually need to run and pick up a part first because the part I'm getting, I will be painted a color. I'll let y'all guess the color, but y'all see once we get there what we got going on. Oh, I forgot the freestyle. I can freestyle. Girls going wild. It's your boy Q and the women dig my style. On the damn scene, freestyle cream. I carry the ball like my name, Detroit Mean. Think that was a lineman, I don't give a fuck. I done came down, man, riding Young Buck. That is 50 dang cents. I done came down, man, my car ain't got no dents. On the day screen, freestyle king. It's your boy Q, I told you I don't drink no lean. Man. Oh, nah, that's funny, man. That was probably my best one yet, man. Comment below, that was my best one yet, for sure. You know anything about, like, freestyling in Dallas? Once you start screaming, like, yeah, that way, earned on the thing, I came down, man. When you start screaming like that, bro, that mean you wrecking. I'm telling you, that mean you was 100% wrecking, bro. So anyway, guys, I'll see y'all when I get over to the shop. All right, guys, so we made it over here to the store. So Justin actually moved locations. He's out in, like, Dallas now. There's the truck over there. The gray one. What's up, man? Hey. Long time no see, bro.
Man, what'd you do? You slicked it up?
Nah, I've been bald.
Oh, you used to wear a hat.
Yeah, I used to wear a hat. What's up, man? Nah, dude, yeah, I always got a hat on, a beanie or something. Been all right, man?
Yeah, man.
Good. I see your truck over there, man. So you post a lot in the F-150 forum groups.
A little bit.
Yeah, I've been saying like, oh, that's Justin. Dude, I don't talk in them groups, man. There's some jerks in there, bro.
Know, bro.
Yeah, dude.
And there's a bunch of idiots, too.
Yeah.
They think they know everything.
Bro, I was telling them about why I hate the truck community, and mainly them groups you go in there and do, people just
think they know everything and they don't know squat.
They don't know nothing, man. So what, you got a lot done to your truck, huh? So last time we raced, it's way faster since then?
Oh, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. So back then I was just tune only.
Yeah.
Now I'm pretty much full bolt on.
Oh, really?
With E50 tune.
From who? Your tune?
Bruce City Boost.
Oh, Bruce City. Oh, you told me that.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah. I love those guys.
So when they say full bolt on, what that mean? Like,
you've pretty much done everything you can do without doing some major upgrades
to the engine, like
like
in there.
Big turbos.
Okay, so basically you got like what, like
so downpipes, turbo adapters.
Okay.
Intercooler.
Okay.
Turbo inlet pipes.
Okay.
Intake. There ain't really a full bolt on for EcoBoost because the turbo is bolt on.
That is true.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
it's like stock turbos or added turbos, whatever.
It ain't like an NA car where you do everything you can. You know? I could upgrade the fuel pump. If I wanted to, but that started to cost $2,500.
Ooh. Well, that's not really a horsepower thing, is it?
Well, with the fuel pump, you can run a full E85.
Oh, full E. So you go full E. Okay.
And you get more fuel, so you will get some little more power.
Okay. Dude, hold on. What, you got like a mullet going?
Kinda, man.
I kind of dig it. That's dope, actually.
It's a long story, man.
Yeah.
I was, my hair is crazy.
Yeah.
And on the sides, it just looks stupid.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to cut my whole hair because I was doing it in my bathroom.
Okay.
And I live in an apartment, so I don't have a backyard where I can just go cut my hair.
Okay.
So, and I didn't want to sweep it all up, so I just cut the sides. I was at myself in the mirror in the morning.
I thought you were going for a mullet. You should go. Can you grow up mullet?
Maybe. I never tried to grow my hair out.
You should try to grow a mullet, man.
I never tried to grow my hair out, so I was like, I'll try it. Let me just cut the sides real quick. And I was like, hey, I guess I am kind of getting the mullet going.
Yeah, it looks like a mullet. I kind of dig it. They already here?
The control arms are, yeah.
Oh, I thought you said the coilovers were.
No, they ain't here. I think they're the control arms. They should be over here somewhere.
What's up, boss? All right. Good.
Right
Q.
Julio,
nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. So y'all do all the work right back here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here, and then we got 4 days over there, too.
Y'all got a lift?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, it's on the other side.
Yeah. There they are. car. You want to pop it open?
Yeah, you go ahead.
I want to take a look at these bad boys.
Oh, you want to take a look at them?
I might get some for my truck.
Dude, so I was looking around, man. I was like, there has to be. I really wanted those. Oh shit, these things are beefy, bro. Oh yeah, holy, they heavy as shit. I can barely pick it up with one hand. Have you feel it? This shit is heavy, bro.
Yeah.
I mean,
they're definitely better than the stock ones.
Yeah. Dude, I hate the way the stock ones look, man. Yeah.
Nice.
So it's already put together. Is it already put together?
Yeah, it's already all pressed.
Except the top, which is probably
maybe, yeah. There's like a cover.
Yeah.
Covers that go on them.
Yeah. So I'm pretty sure that you're supposed to grease. I've been watching videos.
Yeah, you just put a little bit of grease in there. Yeah.
Y'all do that when y'all put them on?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Sure do.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to get these painted, guys. I ain't told them what color, but yeah, I'm gonna get them painted.
Yeah, they can probably paint them and just tape off the bushings and the ball joint. Because if you know, most of the time you powder coat. Yeah. But you can't put it in the oven with the rubber parts on. Right. You know? So they're gonna just paint it. Yeah. You might not have to take them out actually. I don't know. Maybe they'll just take it off. So, well, if you paint it, they can just tape it. Yeah. We had some done a couple years ago. Yeah. And they said they powder coated everything. And they said, hey, we're gonna have to paint these because they have all the bushings in it, and they don't want to press them all out because it doesn't work. Right. So. Okay. Cool. This BDS is just a sticker. Yeah. Oh, man, I thought they like engraved that in there, you know? Man, that sucks because... Oh, that's just a sticker, bro. I know, but that you're not going to be able to put it back on after. I guess you can, but it ain't going to stay as well. It probably won't. That's fine. I mean, I don't really care if it say BDS anyway, I guess. Yeah, if they're going to be powder coated, if they're going to be colored anyways. Why they just freaking heavy? Shit. Cool, man. I'm excited, bro. Appreciate it, man. Hell yeah, guys. So there y'all go. We got BDS control arm, open control arms. And then got the rough country coilovers coming. Yep. So, oh, y'all sell control arms here too? Yeah. I ain't know that. Those are ready lift ones. Oh, those ready lift? Yeah. Damn, that bike loud. That was a bike, wasn't it? Yeah, loud as shit. It gotta be R6. Only R6 that loud. I'm telling you. What's this dude on the interstate, bro? Up there. What the fuck? I hope we ain't got no jumper on our hands, bro. You got tape measure? Yeah. So don't you measure like from here to like your cap? You gotta go to go to the bottom to the wheel? That's how I always do it. Okay. I did it from the ground. Okay. So that's 40, right at 46? Is it? Yeah. 46, is this inches? 46, yeah. Okay. So 40, you think 46? It's like maybe a hair under 46 if anything. It's about 46. All right. I'm curious. Yeah, you're definitely higher than that. Oh yeah, about a good inch, or what you think? More, inch and a half. Inch and a half? Yeah. That's 44 and a half. So 44 and a half and what, 46? Yeah. So I know, shit. I noticed in my video, I got a rate going right now. So it has to be the shocks, right? All right, that's the only thing done back there. Well, and also the blocks too. I mean, the blocks are, you got the 5.5-inch rough country blocks back here. And that's how this kid's supposed to sit, you know? It's supposed to be raked like that. Oh, it is? Yeah. I thought it would sit level. No, I didn't know. I didn't know. Because they do, I'm pretty sure those are 5.5-inch blocks. I'm not sure. I'm not that sure they're the 4 to 5. I'm pretty sure, yeah. 5? They look like 5? I think so. Because I had those on when I did my black single cab. Yeah. I did the same exact lift kit on it. Oh, did you? Yeah. Okay. Okay. It was really raked. Gotcha. So when we get the coilovers on, they're adjustable, right? I say crank them up all the way. To 6.5? I think they go to 6.5. Is that the highest? I think so. From what I read online, you can read it when we get there, but I think it's 6.5. I'll research the 17. Oh yeah, definitely. I think definitely 7 at max. Yeah. Height. If you're a 1/4 inch low in the back, I mean. Yeah, a little squat. Just a tiny bit. I was talking to John about that. And he said like he got like a little squat, but nothing crazy, you know. Yeah, he does. So yeah, I might be squatting, guys. I'm be in the squat life. So I'm not sure if this is a new video or just same video, different day. I'm not sure I'm gonna do it, but welcome back. Thank y'all. Come kicking it with me. So right now I'm on my way to my guy Raphael's shop to have the drop upper control arms off to be painted. The color that I don't know if I said the color. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep the color a secret, but y'all, like I said, just comment below what y'all think. I'm head over there right now, man, and then I'll catch y'all when I get over to the spot. All right, guys, so we here. We are at Gordon and Son's Body Shop. So that's what we're going today. Here you go, Gordon and Son. In case you're interested. Oh yeah, there you go. Got this picture on the wall. You don't mind me filming, dude? Nah, man, go ahead, bro. Say what's up, man. How are you? What's up? I'm good. Good to see you, man. You all right? So it's boy Raphael, man. Y'all seen me before in a few videos.
How you been, bro?
Good, good.
That's good, man.
When I walked in, I said, oh yeah, this is it. I saw the BMW picture.
Oh, shit.
Is this your old bike?
Yeah, that's the one I sold.
I was about to say, I saw a design, another guy with the design on this
I
here.
sold it to him, and I just redid it for him.
Yeah, I saw the post, and you had it in black and white. I was trying to see what it looked like. So he revealed it yet?
Yeah, he revealed it. So he actually let me pick his fairings out, and he wanted like to keep the wheels.
Yeah, I like the wheels.
I was like, man, the only thing you can do is just kind of like go.
So
it's kind of like a metallic.
Like a gray metallic.
Yeah, gray metallic, and then the carbon fiber stands out more now than it did before. But he kept the wheels.
Okay.
And I was like,
dope.
Yeah. So now he just needs to change the.
The levers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But he likes it, man. I regret signing that bike.
Do you? What year was this? Like 12? A 12?
Yeah, 12.
Yeah.
I regret it.
Why is that?
Man, because the new one's giving me too many problems, man.
Oh yeah, I saw you got it back to stock. So what's?
I was riding I rode it back. I rode it stock.
Yeah.
And then took it apart 3 times.
Okay.
All the way down to the block out plate.
Okay.
Did it the first time, still not working. Did the second time, installed the stock ones on it.
Okay.
Still not. Well, it was working.
Okay.
So I was like all happy and shit.
Yeah. Wait, installed the stock what?
The stock plates.
Okay.
Yeah. So then with the stock plates, I went out and I got on the Express.
Yeah.
And I've been talking to Jack, Marcus, like all those guys. Brandon, I've been talking to them too.
Yeah.
And I get on the Express and I'm shifting, first through 6.
Yeah.
Like slowly though, like all the way to maybe 3,000, 4,000 RPM.
Okay.
Shifting good, everything sounds good. So then I started like, pulling it.
Yeah.
Just slowly, and they didn't do the problem anymore. It wasn't stopping at 10,000 RPM anymore.
Okay. It went past.
It went all the way to 12, like 14, I think. 15.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh shit. So then I get to QT on Luna on the racetrack.
Yeah.
And then, because I was riding it stock on a stock file, and at the gas station, I was like, well, shit, let me flash it back to stage 2.
Okay.
With the original block out plate.
Right.
So then I did that, and I rode it back here, and it still gave me no problem.
So was the block off plates?
The bike was running better than before, like amazing.
All right.
So I'm like, holy shit, like it's good.
Yeah.
So yesterday, some guys hit me up like, hey, come out to bike night.
All
And
right.
I was like, it's cold as shit. But
yeah, it was cold as
like,
hell. Yeah.
I'm like, I got the itch to ride the bike, so let me go ahead and get ready. So leave the house. I'm trying not to go too fast because it's cold.
Yeah.
But then when I'm about to get to downtown, I start pulling it.
Yeah.
And as soon as I was gonna pull it, I think I was like on 4th gear. It did the same shit.
Damn.
But this time it did it differently.
Okay, what happened? What do you mean?
So this time I step on it, and to me now, if it's either gonna be the throttle body, or something with the gas, the injectors or the fuel pump, something. Because it feels like it cuts off. Okay. It cuts off like. Kind of like a car, man.
Like the throttle cuts out?
Yeah, like the throttle cuts out. Like it just doesn't rev up.
Right.
Like, it's weird. So I'm gonna ride tomorrow again because we're going to Cars and Coffee. Pull up.
Well, Cars Katana?
Cars and Coffee.
Out by Nebraska?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going.
Are you going? Yeah. So some of us are meeting up.
Y'all riding up there?
Yeah, we're riding up.
Fuck, it's gonna be cold, bro. Shit. I was gonna drive. I thought about going. I was gonna drive my truck.
Well, you got something to tell. You got the truck,
but you got the vet.
It's fucked up right now.
Oh yeah, the tire.
I just got off the insurance. I just got off the insurance.
Damn, you have a truck like a covered, man. Oh, they are?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Yeah. If we can, if not, cool. Cause I don't know if that's gonna stick back on there, man. Honestly, you think?
It will. I'll heat it up so it can stick back.
All right, yeah. If we can save it, cool. If not,
I swear to God, I thought it was a plate.
Bro, I did too, and I got it from a guy. I said, bro, it's a fucking sticker. I don't think you have to take anything apart, do you?
Nah.
You just tape off.
Yeah, because all of this goes in there with it's like a machine they use, so I don't have the machine. So I'll just go ahead and tape everything up and just make sure nothing gets.
So really, we're just painting.
Yeah.
And these right here, you can take these off. Not take them off, like tape it.
Yeah, I'm gonna tape it.
Yeah. This right here on the interior, I'm not sure if you're gonna paint it.
Yeah,
but
I will. The whole thing's gonna be ready.
Okay, it's a cap that goes on this, is what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you don't. I mean, you can't.
Not worry about it too much.
Yeah.
I mean, everything's gonna get painted. So
yeah, let's just paint it. It's gonna cap it.
To me, like just to be us as the painter, we don't know like if it goes like this or like this, so we gotta make sure the whole
thing is painted. All right, cool.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna hang them from here.
Okay, gotcha.
That way I can get everything else.
Gotcha.
But yeah.
Appreciate it, bro. You want to shout your stuff out? Anything?
Man, just come check out my shop, bro. Gordon Sun Body Shop in Garland.
Yeah.
Hit me up. My IG is Mr. 3K GTS.
Yeah, I'll put that in there. Man. Yeah,
I do it all. I do bikes, cars, everything, boats. We actually have done boats.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
What y'all done to boats? Like paint the boat?
We did like a custom paint job on a boat.
Did y'all?
The guy still has. We did a Valentino Rossi on the guy. He's
shit.
We did like that bright.
Yeah.
It was like a green. This is kind of like a yellow, but his should look nice.
And then y'all got the taco shop too.
Taco shop.
Yeah, y'all check. I'll put it all over there, man.
Yeah, put it on there.
Yeah.
Taco, man.
Yeah.
Summer, man, I want to plan a ride with like like a bunch of bikes and just pull up to the taco shop and just get a bunch of tacos. Yeah,
that'd be fun.
That'd be dope.
I'm there for it. All right, bro.
Yeah. All right, man.
All right, guys. So I'm leaving Raphael's shop, man. We chopped it up for a minute, bro. I lost track of time. Shit, we was in there talking, bro. He, you know, Raphael's super cool dude. Like I said, I met him a few times. That was my first time really just talking to him, like one-on-one though. Super cool dude, bro. Like you tell it's cool when you chopping up with somebody, talking. When I say chopping up, I mean talking. When you talking to somebody, you realize you lost track of time. Like, oh shit, you know. But got the control arms dropped off and everything. He, you know, he goes go ahead and take care of me, anything like that, man. So y'all definitely, if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, DFW, man, definitely check him out. Gordon & Son is, I believe, the name of the shop. I'll put it right there for y'all. Y'all can see it. Y'all definitely go give him a follow, bro. Cool guy. Hopefully we'll pick up the control arms next week. They'll be done. And then we'll get the coilovers once they get here, get everything put on. I'm excited about it. So yeah, hopefully everything come out pretty good. I think I missed my fucking exit. Oh, they don't have a freaking ramp right here. So ooh, that is loud. God damn. So we're back at Gordon & Son, my man Raphael's spot. Control arms are ready. I hope you're here. But there's the shop one more time, man, if y'all want to check it out. Gordon & Son. Check him out. Y'all see red, it's clean. All clean from the thing. Free Step King. What's up, man? Ooh, that shit look good, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you see what I'm trying to do?
Why? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice though. I ain't straight.
Appreciate it. Yeah, so it's gonna come up. You know, they going right here.
Yeah, I see straight ahead.
Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Yep.
That's nice right there.
Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, real nice.
Yeah, buddy, guys. So here they are. And of course, y'all can't see because they black and white. This image I'm showing y'all, but yeah, that's gonna look dope underneath there, man. Yeah, that's good. Hold on. So, oh yeah, if you order full exhaust, I know that's a second.
It does pop though.
Yeah, it pops. It pops.
A lot.
Yeah, pretty good. Guys, so as y'all saw or did see, y'all couldn't see the color, but they came out great, man. Love the look of the color. When I put the BDS sticker on there, it popped really, really good. Raphael and they did a great job, man. Like it looks, woo, bonito, good, bonito. I don't know, some shit. Next, I'm just waiting on the coilovers to get here, and then we're gonna take these back up to Justin, get everything put on. They'll wrap this video up, or this is gonna be the continuation. I'm not sure, but I'll catch y'all here in a second on the next one, baby. Peace.